Today is the first part of my artist series. It's called Artist Tuesdays. Today I'm going to talk about Jerry Stringham. He's from Western North Carolina and he's a wood carver. Subscribe if you like the series and I'll see you next Tuesday.
My name is Jerry Stringham. I'm a chainsaw carver in Crossmore, North Carolina. This is a piece I just finished up this afternoon. It's pure chainsaw carving, 100%. Features a mama bear and then the cub going for the beehive. It's a very gnarly tree, something that I really enjoy playing with, and you never know how each piece is going to turn out. Instead of having each tree ground down to nothing and completely removed, we left the stump of one that's about 12 feet tall, and we turned it into art instead of completely forgetting about it. It's a great way to salvage and process the wood and have something wonderful for years to come.